Hello everyone and welcome to this public demonstration of the last public version that will be released very soon. This is the version 45 and the last public version has been the 37 until now. So yes, there is 1 year of development between the two. So yeah, a lot of things have been implemented and changed and improved. And this will also serve as showing off the differences between the Lite version and the full version. This is the full version, obviously, but yeah, the Lite version has been requested so many times that yeah, I'm gonna really release one. So yes, also I haven't launched MA to demonstrate all the functions, but yeah, because I'm on tour right now, I don't have a lot of screen real estate, and it's easier for me to show off just the patch. But yeah, be assured that this has been thoroughly tested by myself, friends, and also colleagues and teams that are working with the product on tour. So yeah, let's go. So this is basically the welcome page. You have here all the commands that you need on the MA desk. It's pretty self-explanatory. You have the blackout here. You also have the Grandmaster. You have the dimmer wheel as well. And we added a couple of nice improvement. So by default, when you start the project for the first time, you start with speed 1 and speed 2 assigned, like those two Speedmaster assigned to those 100mm faders. But now we have a little menu. When you click that, you have a little menu here and you can choose which special master you want to address basically. So if I want maybe speed 4 and I don't know, speed 8, whatever, then now I have that populated here and I don't have to change everything. All the routing and yeah, all the routing will be assessed automatically. So after that, we have the encoder window. This has been reworked also a lot. Basically, we have now push buttons for each encoder wheel, and of course all the buttons. We have now also store position functions, so I can recall positions from here, but I can also store a position. So I could choose this one, for example, and now I have my new position set up. And I added a little XY thing just because it's possible. And also we added groups, so now we can recall groups from this window. In the execs, buttons, and faders, well, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Basically, you have your faders and your buttons as expected. We have a dynamic and a fixed page. This is page 20. It can be changed in if there is request for that, but yeah, page 20 seems to work for now. But yeah, it's easy to change if necessary. And now we can also change the faders page. Same for this one. Action buttons is basically the same. We have a dynamic page and a fixed page. This is the master. So basically all you can see here is the same as you will find in here. It's just a different way of presenting data. So in here you have default master, grandmaster, speedmaster, and rate master. We removed some masters because it's very rarely used and we needed some space to yeah, make space for new commands basically. Position maker is also a new thing, and that's the big development of this release. Well, I don't know because there's many new things, but this is one of the biggest modules, I would say. So basically, we have here two wheels that are solely dedicated to pan and tilt, and this will not interfere in any way with those things and those settings. So yeah, just pan and tilt. You have a matrix as well, a little window group and positions here, and you can also store positions from here without problems. So yeah, and with a bigger XY thing. Next big module was the custom pages. So this comes in two flavors. Basically, we have a custom view in here with many pages. Basically, I will not explain that because right now, because this will be basically written in the step-by-step guide. But you can create new pages super easily without entering into the code. You just have to duplicate a group and you have a new page for you, and yeah, that's how it works. So basically we have those two basic ones, And we have also a gamepad. So this is not finished because I would like to implement the same thing as we have in here. Basically have a menu with all the routing implemented. But yeah, this takes a lot of time to code and it's a hell to debug. So yeah, it takes time. But yeah, I would love to have that ready for the next release. But basically, when you plug, I don't know, a PS5 controller or Xbox thing, you can basically control any MIDI remote with that. Yeah, though, so that's the idea. Here it's an empty page for people to enjoy. And yeah, just to show the custom spaces, we added a simple interface. This also has been requested a lot. Basically, what was the problem is that this interface is very good when you are a lighting technician or designer and you know how MA works, but it's not always the case. We had many requested from people that just have like some venue knowledge and work on bars or work on cleaning teams and stuff like that. So they would like to have a tablet with a simple interface just to address what is necessary to work without having the full knowledge of a programmer. So basically, this is what it is for. You could just copy and paste in here the controls you want to you want to have in here, and everything is locked. So yeah, that's why. I will come back to that a bit later. So in here, yeah, not so much new things, just the VKs. We have the matrix. I just would like to address that the align functions works with the encoders. I know that depending on how the MIDI remotes and the way of programming encoders with MIDI systems are actually programmed, it doesn't work depending on what specific how could I say that? Anyways, it works with align functions, in contrary to many systems I've seen outside. So yeah, effects. We added the effects, macros, and groups. This was already present, or we added more, and yeah, the X case. So yeah, sorry, I'm a bit tired. Simple interface is good. Vibration now is also available in many controls, and this will work only on Android tablets or iPhone and Android phones, but not on iPad because there is not a vibration module. So you can choose to enable and or disable that if you would like. And we have a little screensaver just because it's possible. Yes, and this is the last big module that has been developed. Yes, this was a very difficult module, but I'm very happy that it is existing. Basically, it's an edit mode that let you the possibility to edit the controls, not all of them, but most of them, without leaving the live mode. So basically, now when you are in edit mode, everything is disabled. Most of the commands are disabled, and you can choose between edit buttons or edit labels. So if I select edit buttons, for example, and I would like to recolor one of my effects, I could choose that. And so now I can choose whatever color I would like. I can also pick them from here. And I can also pick those colors that are the ones used in the UI. And also we have a little dynamic color picker that will change based on that. So yeah, we also have a little grayscale. Why not? And yeah, that's how it works. And if I come back and say edit label in here, I can now rename them directly from here, right? Like this. So to exit the edit mode, it's written in here, but you just have to lock again and get out of here. And we added a little delay on the lock and unlock because the lock button is not the clear button. So yeah, yeah, I had people that would use that way too quickly during programming, and it doesn't pose a problem most of the time. It is just that if you have a console in the network and you have like a complex architecture of consoles, and depending on the quality of your network, it can have a little bit of lag just on the unlock and lock buttons. So yeah, that's why I added this. Basically, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much all the functions. Oh yeah, and we have a little screen as well for moving your cursor if you would like in each screens. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you for watching this, and yeah, I will work on the definitive public version. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Okay, just to sum it up into one video, this is the demo for the Lite version. That is a very basic layout compared to the Pro version, which has a lot of advanced layout and yeah, many bells and whistles that I find useful and practical to work with when I'm actually doing some lights. But yeah, this is basically the same layout, and you only have access to the basic keypads and all the basic functions of MA, and you have access to one set of executors from 1 to 50. You don't have locked pages. You can still change pages here, but yeah, you just have the first 15 executors. And that's it. Basically, also for the Speedmasters, you by default have Speed 1 and Speed 2, and this is not possible to change. Yeah, it's not so easy for me to find a solution to yeah to content everyone because yeah it's like worldwide market which I'm not so used to, and I understand that some people don't have a lot of money to spend on some things like that, but I have also a lot of professionals, people that are completely okay spending this kind of money, actually supporting 3 years of development. So yeah, that's why I created that. It's pretty much limited, but still you can do the work if it's just for programming. Definitely. And we will continue with demonstrating the two different ways of setting up this configuration. One is the basic one, same as the Lite version. You have to import macros and you have to import the MIDI remotes manually. Well, somehow a little bit automated, but not so much. And in the Pro version, you have just one plugin, an LUA plugin, and this takes care of everything in 3 clicks. So yeah, we will see that next. Hello there. I just wanted to show you really quickly how we can set up the new version, the last public version that is not yet released, but I will send it to you because I know it's been a long time. Everyone is waiting for that. And yeah, it's a long process to publish everything. Anyways, this will be a kind of an unofficial demonstration. So let's start by doing a new show. So as you can see, this is a completely empty show file, and we just need to go into System and then Plugins. And from here, you can tap Edit and click a new tile or right click. And the idea is that when, yeah, in here, you will have this TouchOSC MA2 plugin version 7. You just need to open it. You take everything, Control A, Control C to copy, and you go back to MA in here, Control A, Control V to paste, and you just do that. That's the only thing you need to do. That's the most easy way to import the plugin into MA. And from here, you can just click on it and select the option number 3, install plugin. You can also do other things, but yeah, I will let you explore that. So number 3, you hit enter, enter again, and you're good to go. Basically, everything has been set up, and you can see in here that all the remotes are being populated. So yeah, and there is a ton of them, probably 1,200, something like that. So yeah, enjoy. And in the meantime, I'm gonna work into the public video and all that. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I've decided to show a little bit about the setup process. I will not demonstrate all the functions because this has been covered in other videos. Yes, this is just a quick start guide basically. So when you receive the archive, you will have four things into here. One is empty, just a reminder to use 3.8 version of MA2 or higher. It will not work if you use 3.7 or 3.5 because of MA limitations. It can be downgraded upon request, but yeah, I'm not taking those kind of orders for now because yeah, 3.8 is already quite old, and I hope everyone is at least running this version of MA. So yeah, this is just a little reminder. In here, you have a show file with everything already set up, the remotes and everything needed for the layout to function in companionship with MA2. And most importantly, you have here macros and MIDI remotes. Basically, this file, MIDI remotes, has to go into the import export of the 3.8 MA2 folder, and this can go into the macro folders. So if you do that and you open MA, you should have something like that. And you just need to open uh, macros, and we will go in here to import specified macros. So you just click in here and say import. Now we have four macros that have been imported. We have MIDI remote import, MIDI remote delete, special master assign, and special master delete. Basically, you can just run this macro, hit enter again, and all the macros are already populated into the MN2 show file. And you also need to click that to make it work because basically the layout use masters to yes to use the grandmaster and the two 100 millimeters phasers. So just run that again, enter, enter again, and everything is working right now. So if I go back to my archive, and I go into the TouchOSC layout. So now, yeah, anyway, if I go down with the special master and go down with those two, we can see in MA2, come on, in here, that the grandmaster is actually at 0%. So yeah, everything is working as expected. Yes, you also have a website and setup to help you make that work. It's a bit difficult at the beginning if you are not used to that, but yeah, at the end it's very simple when you understand how it works. For me and with the LUA plugin, that is just one click and set up everything. It's like, honestly, it's, I don't know, 10 seconds to set it up. So yeah, I hope it is helpful. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start working on the main public video for the next release. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.